Hello and welcome to the Phonics Reading YouTube channel. On this channel, we learn to read with phonics. In today's video, we will be learning digraph sh. Digraphs are 2 letters and 1 sound. Sh, as in fish. F, I, fish. Sh, as in sheep. Sh, eep, sheep. There are 2 digraphs in this word. One is sh, the other one is e digraph. Digraphs are underlined. As in shop. Sh, op, shop. Sh, as in sheet. Sh, eat, sheet. 2 digraphs in this word too. Sh and e. As in dish. D, I, sh, dish. Sh, as in wish. W, I, sh, wish. Sh, as in hush. A, sh, hush. Sh, as in rush. R, a, sh, rush. Sh, as in shade. Sh, d, shade. Sh, as in shut. Sh, a, t, shut. Sh, as in cash. K, a, sh, cash. Sh, as in shell. Sh, l, shell. Double letters make only 1 sound. We don't read it as sh, l. We say sh, l, shell. Sh, as in shelf. Sh, l, f, shelf. Sh, as in brush. Br, a, sh, brush. Br as a consonant blend. In consonant blends, individual letters retain their sounds. Sh, as in crash. Kr, a, sh, crash. Kr is again a consonant blend. We can hear both k and sound clearly in kr. Sh, as in flash. Fl, a, sh, flash. Fl as a consonant blend. Sh, as in paintbrush. There are 2 digraphs in this word. One is a and another one is sh. We read it as p, a, n, t, brush, paintbrush. Br as a consonant blend. Sh as in polish. P a l I sh, polish. Can you find some more words with the digraph sh? Thanks for watching.